There is a popular idea that has taken hold in recent years. If one source of income is not enough, the solution is simple. Create more. Start a side hustle. Build another stream. Add more sources of money. It sounds logical. It sounds modern. It sounds like progress. But many people are trying this approach and still feel stuck. They work their main job. They add something on the side, sometimes 2 or 3. And instead of feeling secure, they feel stretched. So a quiet question begins to form. If multiple income streams are the answer, why does life still feel financially tight? The truth is not as simple as the advice suggests. Multiple income streams do not automatically solve financial pressure. In many cases, they simply spread your time and energy across too many directions. This is where the problem begins. Each income stream requires attention. It requires effort. It requires consistency. When you divide yourself across several activities, your focus becomes weaker. Progress slows down. Instead of building one strong source of income, you maintain several small ones that struggle to grow. The result is movement without momentum. There is another issue that many people do not consider. Not all income streams are equal. Some are stable. Some are unpredictable. Some depend heavily on your time. Others require long periods before they produce any real return. When people rush to create multiple streams, they often choose convenience over quality. They pick what is easy to start, not what is sustainable to grow. So they end up with income streams that demand effort but produce very little. Over time, this becomes exhausting. There is also a deeper shift in the economy. The cost of living has increased. The demand on time has increased. The mental load of daily life is already heavy. Adding more work without increasing efficiency can lead to fatigue, not freedom. This is why many people feel overwhelmed. They are working more, but not moving forward in a meaningful way. Another important point is this. Multiple income streams are often presented as a shortcut to financial security. But in reality, they require structure, planning, and patience. Without a clear strategy, they become distractions. You start many things but finish very little. You earn small amounts but do not build something strong enough to change your situation. This leads to frustration. You begin to feel that the idea itself is flawed, but the idea is not entirely wrong. It is simply misunderstood. Multiple income streams can work, but only when they are built on a strong foundation. That foundation is a stable and growing primary income. When your main source of income is weak, adding more streams does not fix the problem. It only adds pressure. But when your main income is strong, additional streams can support it. They can provide flexibility, not stress. The key is not to multiply income streams quickly. The key is to build depth before you build width. Focus on one source. Strengthen it. Improve your skills. Increase your value. Once that foundation is stable, then you can expand. There is also a need for selectivity. Choose income streams that align with your time, your skills, and your long-term direction. Not everything that makes money is worth your attention. Some opportunities look attractive, but they drain your energy. Others grow slowly, but become reliable over time. The difference is not always obvious at the beginning. This is why patience matters. Financial stability is rarely built by chasing everything at once. It is built by choosing carefully and staying consistent. There is also a mental shift that needs to happen. The goal is not to be busy. The goal is to be effective. Many people are working harder than ever, but the structure of their effort is weak. When effort is scattered, results are scattered. When effort is focused, results begin to compound. So if multiple income streams are not working for you, it does not mean you are failing. It means the approach needs to change. Build strength before expansion. Choose quality over quantity. Focus your energy where it can grow. That is how income begins to move from effort to stability. If you want more clear and thoughtful explanations like this, subscribe to the channel. It helps you stay grounded and make better financial decisions in a world full of noise.